welding project to get started with? Well, you are at the right place. In this video, we will showcase you some amazing welding projects perfect for beginners. So let's get started. In our first project, a simple owl project requires minimal material and is a great way to practice your welding skill. You will need a few pieces of steel, some screws, and start by cutting the metal into the desired shapes. Finally, weld the piece together using a big welder. This project is a great way to practice your welding skills and create a functional piece of your furniture for your home. In our next project, beautiful guitarist, metal guitarist. This project requires a bit more material and a great way to practice working with thicker material. You need new pieces of metal, some rings and blocks. Start by cutting the metal into a desired pieces and then assemble the pieces using screws and welding machine. Finally, weld the pieces together using a big weld. This project is a great way to create a functional guitarist band for your workshop and a garage decoration. Next, we will have a metal bike. This project is a great way to practice working with a thin material, creating decorative welders. You will need a piece of metal sheeting, some steel tubing, and a few screws. Start by cutting the metal sheeting into a required size, then assemble the holder using screws. Finally, weld the pieces together using a unique TIG welder. This project is a great way to create a unique and a personalized piano holder and a beautiful dog at your home. In our next project, assemble a butterfly, a bit more material and a great way to practice your welding skill with this video project. Start by cutting the sheet as per your desire or cut the material as per your desired shapes. Finally, weld the pieces together and using a big welder. This project is a great way to create a functional shelf for your workshop or garage. Next, we will have a beautiful metal boxer. This project is a great way to practicing working with your old but discarded metal in order to reduce your carbon footprints. You will need pieces of metal as per your desired shapes and the sizes from your backyard and wholesaler of scrap iron. Start by cutting the pieces as you desire and weld these pieces together. This project is a great way to create a unique and beautiful barrel and beautiful spring family for your decor. Our next project is flying beast, metal flying beast, and the small owl and helicopter. For this, you will require a bit more material. It's a great way to practicing by using this material. You will need a few pieces of metal as per your desired shapes and sizes. Weld the metal and the pieces together by using big welder. And this project is a great to create a unique functional table and a beautiful beautiful flower for your home decor. That is our today's video on this welding project for beginner. We hope you found this project inspiring and innovative. Remember to always follow safety guidelines and use the proper welding techniques when working on your project. If you have any question or comment, please leave them in the section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more welding tutorials and the project. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video. But here we are trying to fun about some safety guidelines for these projects. Here we will talk about the PPE, personal protective equipment. The first one is a welding helmet. Protect your face, eyes from spark, UV radiations and heat. Second one is the welding gloves. Insulate your hand with the heat, spark and the electric shock. Third one is the safety glasses. Provide additional eye protection when not wearing a welding helmet. Fire resistant cloth prevent burn from spark, heat and the fume. Steel-toed boot protect your feet from heavy object and hot sparks. Prevent the inhalation of toxic fume and apparatus. Clear workspace. Keep your work area clean, clutter-free, and tripping hazard and the flammable material. Third one is a fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher must be put nearby and easily accessible. Proper lighting. Adequate lighting to see the work area and the welding process. Regular inspect and maintain welding equipment. Ensure proper connection to avoid electric shock. Ensure the welding machine and the workspace are properly grounded. And here we are talking about the welding safety. Follow established welding procedure and the techniques. Avoid overheating the workspace, workpiece or the equipment. Be aware of spark and the hot metal projectile. When required, use shielding gas to protect the ERC and the workpiece. Understand the operation and the safety guidelines for your equipment. Avoid fatigue and maintain focus. Be aware of your surrounding and the potential hazard. Learn welding techniques and the safety guidelines from a qualified instructor. Remember, safety should be always top priority when welding. Rest of the video is here. Please keep watching and do subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos.